Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Alright guys, we're going to talk about a little bit about what to do with the, what do you do if your appliances are on back order? Where do you go? You go to Home Depot, Lowe's, Sears, Best Buy. If you don't have something in stock, those manufacturers or those stores, depending on the manufacturers for supply. Same thing with everyone, so it's all about the supply chain. What's different about Home Depot, Lowe's, Sears, and Best Buy is they order direct all the time. They don't have a big warehouse full of appliances. Most of their stuff is lumber, a lot of different things. What I would do first is look local. I'd find one of your independent dealers, because those guys have to have a warehouse full of appliances to survive. Like us here at Appliance Factory, we have 250,000 square foot warehouse that you might see in our other videos. That's full of appliances that we have stock. We've been buying for a long time. Millions and millions of dollars worth of inventory sitting in our backlog that you could buy from. So first thing, look local. You could shop with us even if you don't live in Colorado or the Midwest or our other states that we are located in. At interstate.com, you could go there. You could find us on eBay at appliance-parts, where we sell a lot of inventory. We could get your appliances shipped to you and still save you a lot of money. But thanks guys, and hope you guys find your appliances if you don't have a back order.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.